Flying Motor Friday, and it happens to be a holiday, so happy holidays, Merry Christmas to those who celebrate. I'm doing one of my favorite seasonal hand warm-up activities with my putty snowman. You warm up the putty, which has some resistance. You can pinch and stretch it, ball it up. I've already got my little sticks in. I'm going to stick his little buttons on, and they're kind of small pieces, so they're hard to get on there. What I like best about this is that it's a great way to warm up your hands. Well, he's out of room. I'm going to give him a little button on the back, little carrot, and his eye fell off. So it's a little bit, you got to keep on top of it. Get his little hat. My hands are warmed up, and meanwhile, I can go do my exercises now that I've kind of warmed up my hands. You give him time, he's going to melt, which is part of the reason I enjoy him. Because if you're going to exercise your hands, you might as well have a little bit of fun doing it, which is what we love to do here at Boomerang. So if you have difficulty with your hands or fine motors, come and see me. I'm Ashley. I'm our occupational therapist here at Boomerang, and I'd love to work with you and your goals into the new year.